Hi, I'm Rob Schulman. I'm an attorney at Reitebach & Associates, and today we're going to be talking about the things you should be considering when purchasing a condominium unit. In Pennsylvania, it's not required to consult an attorney when purchasing a condominium unit, or any real estate for that matter, but it's highly recommended. And not only that you consult an attorney, but one who is experienced in condominium and homeowners association law. It's important to consult an attorney in this process of buying a condominium unit. Even if you've bought real estate before, this is going to be something brand new, and there are many documents that will be unfamiliar to you, some of which are called the declaration, the bylaws, the rules and regulations, and a master disclosure document called the public offering statement. The public offering statement is in itself not only a large document, but very descriptive about what the type of community you're buying into is like. It'll also let us know if the developer has complied with the Pennsylvania Uniform Condominium Act, and will provide such exhibits as the budget, an agreement of sale form, and other things that will be able to allow us to know if there are any red flags in this transaction. For example, the developer may have provided what's called a lowball budget, where certain dues that they're telling you are required to be paid by the unit owners will not cover the cost of expenses to run the association annually. Also, the agreement of sale forms that developers use are quite different than ones you've probably been used to in other residential transactions. Many times there are many deadlines to comply with, and if you don't, there can be a default on your part which could cost you in the transaction. It's never too late to bring an attorney in to assist you with the transaction. The developer should be okay with having a good partner that can review documents and give you legal advice and make you feel confident to proceed in the transaction. Some of the things an experienced attorney can help you with during this process are everything from review of title to your unit, to assisting you with making sure you obtain your loan properly for settlement, to actually attending the settlement and answering any questions you might have at the settlement table. Many times I'm called in right before settlement or right after settlement when the unit owner is committed to the transaction but discovers that there are problems at the unit. Clients come to me with issues like construction defects at their unit or in the common elements to the main building of the condominium, or that the declarant, also known as the developer, failed to properly fund association accounts. Your options include that we could contact the developer on your behalf and try to negotiate a solution. We could see if there are other unit owners that might want to join in any claim. We could also offer our mediation services to try to resolve it before any more expensive litigation would ensue. So my best advice to you is to hire an attorney before you even enter into the transaction and sign an agreement of sale. But definitely, as soon as any problem would arise, reach out to an experienced condo attorney to talk about your specific situation. Thanks for listening, and if you have any questions about what I've discussed today, please feel free to contact me at my email address below.